Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Mark Gorban, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
What are the different forms of liability insurance coverage?
First, liability insurance related to operational risk, covering operational risk. Public liability insurance that covers the legal liability of a company in respect of any damage created to third party following negligent act or in connection with the performance of the activity of the company. Employer's liability that covers the legal liability of a company in respect of bodily injury caused to employee caused by a labor accident. Directors and officer liability that covers the legal liability of a company or a legal person in respect of wrongful act or breach of duty committed while acting as a director, officer or manager of a company. Safety production liability insurance that covers the legal liability of a company in respect of any damage created to the employees, third parties, caused by an accident identified as a safety production accident by local authorities. So now let me list out the liability insurance coverage related to risk of profit. First, product liability that covers the legal liability of a company in respect of all damage created to third party consuming product traded or sold by this company. Product recall that covers the cost of recall, the recall expenses the company may occur if there is any recall order issued by public authority, if the product is found dangerous. Professional indemnity that covers the legal liability of a company in respect of wrongful act, breach of duty committed while performing professional services. Safety food insurance that covers any damage to third party, such as food poisoning, food intoxication resulting from the consumption of the food.
Can you give us an example of a liability insurance claim from your experience in China?
Let me start with product liability example of loss, a claim related to resin virus. So a company manufacturing resin which was used to produce coating materials, and this coating materials was used to coat optic fiber cable. It turned out the optic fiber cable lost their transmission ability. The customer of the company doing coating material complained about the situation. So this company reported this to the company producing resin. So after testing, it was found there are some particles, small particles in the resin, and it was the cause of the defect of the resin. So the company has to pay. This company producing resin was liable. It has to pay for all expenses, and actually it was what we call a pure financial loss, because there was no damage, no property damage or bodily injury, just financial loss. So first kind of loss was loss of income, loss of business from the company producing coating material. She lost a lot of clients. Second, expenses related to products, scrap products, and loss of production from the customer of this company. And third kind of expenses was testing expenses to prove the cause of loss was the defect resin. Another kind of claim, a company manufacturing valves exported to Europe, and these valves were installed on the water pipe of many buildings. Many of these valves broke into pieces, creating water damage to the buildings, so damaging the buildings and its contents. About 230 valves were defective, so creating what we call a serial loss, so a loss related to the same cause. It was found out the quality of the steel used to make this valve was defective, so the manufacturer was all liable of all these losses. Another example is a company manufacturing, exporting AC devices to Europe. A retail shop for wear clothes was severely damaged by a fire. After further inspection, it was found out the fire was caused by the defective AC, so the company manufacturing this AC devices has to pay for the loss. Now let me give you some example of public liability loss. So in a restaurant located at the 6th floor of a building, the pipe draining wastewater was leaked into a shop located at the second floor of the same building, so damaging antique carpets, design furniture. So the restaurant has to pay for the cost of the damage created to this shop. Second example, bodily injury to young kids in kids' wear shops. Young kids of 3 years of age fall down and hit a low table. Eyebrow and forehead was cut. So it was found out that the floor was defective, not even. So it was dangerous for the public, for the person coming to the shops, and so the shops has to pay for the medical expenses of the parents of these kids insured to treat her. Another example of public liability claim, it's a fight in a bar between a client and a waiter. So a client was drunk and became aggressive with other clients. So the waiter asked him to leave and sent him out. However, this client came back and started to argue with the waiters. One of them lost his nerve and punched him, breaking his jaw. So the company running the bar was all liable to pay the medical expenses to these clients, and it was considered as an accident from the insurance point of view, because although the company from the waiter point of view, it was a purpose act. He did that to insure the person. However, from the company owning the bar point of view, it was a non-willful act. The manager of the bar did not ask to the waiter to do so.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.